This isn't just luxury, this is a revolution of wealth, power and engineering madness. These are SUVs so exclusive, so extreme that you don't buy them, you qualify for them. From armored beasts to handcrafted luxury yachts on wheels, today we count down the 10 SUVs so expensive you can't just walk into the showroom and buy them. Number 10. Range Rover SV LWB. The Range Rover SV isn't sold like a normal SUV. It's allocated. Long wheelbase comfort turns the rear seat into a private jet on wheels, massaging chairs, executive recline, and near-silent cabin isolation. Under the hood, a 4.4L twin-turbo V8 produces around 530 horsepower, launching it to 100 km/h in under 5 seconds. But performance isn't the point, presence is. At nearly $280,000, this is a vehicle delivered quietly, not purchased loudly. Number 9. Bentley Bentayga Speed. Bentley doesn't build fast SUVs. They build effortless motion. The Bentayga Speed carries a 4.0L twin-turbo V8 pushing 550 horsepower, blending brutal speed with aristocratic calm. Inside, everything is hand-stitched, polished, and perfected over hours of craftsmanship. It feels less like a car and more like a moving lounge designed for absolute control and comfort. With a price north of $320,000, you don't pick one off the floor, you commission it like art. Number 8. Bentley Bentayga Mulliner. If the speed is for the driver, the Mulliner is for the passenger. This is Bentley at its most indulgent. Rear seats recline fully with footrests, crystal glassware sits in vibration-free holders, and every surface is tailored to the buyer's imagination. Even the wood grain flows continuously across the cabin like a single sculpture. At around $340,000, this isn't transportation, it's a private suite that moves through the world. Number 7. Mansory Aston Martin DBX 800. Mansory takes Aston Martin's DBX and pushes it into another dimension. The result, 800 horsepower, carbon fiber aggression, and styling that refuses to be ignored. It hits 100 km/h in under 4 seconds, combining supercar performance with SUV stance. The interior is fully reworked with bespoke materials and extreme detailing. At over $400,000, this is not factory luxury, it's engineered excess. Number 6. Ferrari Purosangue, Mansory Edition. Ferrari's first SUV was already controversial. Mansory made it louder, faster, and more extreme. A naturally aspirated V12 producing over 750 horsepower delivers one of the most emotional driving experiences in any SUV.
No turbolag, no silence.
Just raw mechanical symphony. At around $600,000 in tuned form, this is Ferrari tradition pushed into SUV reality, loud, rare, and unforgettable. Number 5. Brabus 900 Rocket Edition. Brabus doesn't modify cars, they rebuild them from the ground up. The 900 Rocket Edition turns the Mercedes G-Class into a 900 horsepower monster with over 1,200 Nm of torque. 0 to 100 km/h, around 3.7 seconds in a box-shaped SUV. Unreal. Inside, carbon fiber, Alcantara, and custom leather surround a cockpit built for controlled chaos. At nearly $500,000, it's a street-legal missile in luxury clothing. Number 4. Rolls-Royce Cullinan Black Badge, Mansory Enhanced. The Cullinan Black Badge is already the pinnacle of luxury SUVs. Mansory's version pushes it further, carbon fiber detailing, enhanced presence, and even more exclusivity. A 6.75L V12 delivers effortless power, but the real story is silence. The cabin feels disconnected from reality, like floating inside a private universe. At around $600,000 plus, this is not a vehicle, it's sovereignty on wheels. Number 3. Rezvani Vengeance. Now we enter a different category, protection. The Rezvani Vengeance looks like a military vehicle because, in many ways, it is. With ballistic armor, reinforced glass, and military-grade engineering, it can withstand threats most SUVs will never encounter. Yet inside? Pure luxury. Leather seats, digital systems, and hidden armor create a surreal contrast. Starting around $700,000, this is luxury designed for survival. Number 2. Karlmann G-Wagon Falcon. Karlmann takes the already iconic G-Wagon and transforms it into a rolling sculpture. Every panel is reshaped, every surface reimagined. The finish looks like liquid metal, and the interior feels like a bespoke aircraft cabin, hand-stitched, custom-lit, and completely unique. At nearly $2 million, no two are ever the same. This isn't mass production, it's personal identity on wheels. Number 1. Karlmann King. This is not an SUV. It's a statement of absolute excess. Built on a Ford F-550 chassis and costing up to $3.8 million, the Karlmann King looks like it came from a stealth aircraft design lab. Sharp edges, armored bodywork, and nearly 4.5 tons of pure presence. Inside, a lounge, a safe room, a cinema system, refrigerator, espresso machine. Everything you'd expect in a private luxury villa. With production under 10 units per year, this isn't a vehicle you buy. It's one you enter a world for. From handcrafted British luxury to armored luxury bunkers on wheels, these SUVs redefine what expensive even means. They aren't just vehicles, they are status, engineering, and obsession combined into motion. The real question is, where does luxury end, and excess begin? Don't forget to subscribe to Drive Stats for more cinematic AI reviews of the cars shaping tomorrow, today. Which feature impressed you most? Let us know in the comments.